Welcome to watch MERCYLION M1501 motorcycle dashcam installation operation. First, open the cover of the motorcycle. Install the monitor on the root of the armrest. Adjust the appropriate angle to fix it. Then press the handle to a suitable position. Be careful not to block the brakes and other buttons. Insert the line in the right place. The black wire of the power supply is clamped to the electric pole of the electric frequency. The yellow wire is connected to the positive electrode of the electricity frequency. The red wire is connected to the ACC wire. Then it can be connected with the line of the monitor. Note, each line of the monitor corresponds to the device. Please insert the corresponding color line according to the instructions. Tear off the camera seal and install it to the desired position. Same for the other camera. Then collect the line. Need to cooperate with the push-up when tightening the interface. All 4 lines are carried out with this operation. Fire up after collecting the line. Check whether the dashcam can be started normally. Then bundle and arrange the lines. Remember that the line can only be sent and not folded. Finally, cover the motorcycle cover. Motorcycle dashcam installation is complete.